Here's how to use the Nespresso machine. The first thing you do is take the water canister from the back, twist and lift, and fill that with water. You don't need to fill it all the way, just about halfway will do. You take the canister, you place it back in its position, place the lid on the canister. Now, for the main part of the machine, you go to the lip in the front, just lift up gently. It will automatically open. You see the little gray ball in here? This is where the pod goes. The pods for the Nespresso machine are underneath. This is what they look like. You take one of those, whichever one you like, there are different flavors. You place the pod like that in the gray bucket. Then you press the lip again, it closes down, that punctures it and gets it ready to create the coffee. You then take a cup, place the cup here, don't forget to do that, and then you push the button on the top. The machine will then start. Use the water, heat it up, put it through the pod, and in just a couple of moments you will have delicious Nespresso.